I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Mitsubishi Outlander key fob. First, find the small release button on the side or back of the fob. Press this button firmly and then gently pull out the metal emergency key. This action is crucial as it exposes a small slot or seam, which is where we will begin to carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. This initial step is straightforward and prepares the fob for battery replacement. Now that the emergency key is removed, take a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated plastic prying tool. Insert the tip into the slot that was revealed. With a gentle twisting motion, you will start to create a small gap between the two halves of the key fob. Carefully work your way around the entire seam, applying consistent, light pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. The goal is to separate the two halves without forcing them. With the key fob open, you will see the small coin cell battery inside. Before you remove it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery from its compartment, being careful not to damage the contacts. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards, ensuring it sits snugly in its place. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a distinct click, which confirms they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the metal emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks firmly into place. Your key fob is now closed and ready for use with its fresh new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.